All right, good day everybody. In this section, we're actually looking at the January 2021 Mathematics CSEC statistics question. It comes at number 5, all right, this year. So here it is, we're looking at the A part says 60 students took an algebra test, which comprised 15 multiple choice questions. The number of correct answers that each student obtained is recorded in the table below. So in this table, you're seeing the number of correct answers here, and you're actually seeing the number of students on this side here, okay? So here's the thing, we're looking at these are the correct answers and how many students would have gotten. First question, let's just get first question. Using the table, determine the number of students who had exactly 13 correct answers. So we're looking at 13 correct answers. So these are the correct answers. Here is 13. Here is 13. So we're looking at 11 students would have gotten 13. All right. So there we go, 11 students. So for this, the answer is simply 11 students. And you would have gotten a 1 mark for that. Just 11 students, all right? All right, so very good. So let's just look at the next. Let's look at the next. Let's focus on the next question, right? So the next question says, the modal number of correct answers. The modal number of correct answers. The mode refers to the score that occurs the most, or the one that occurred most frequently. So these are the scores, and this is the frequency. So 14 would have been the biggest number there. That means score number 9 would have been the answer. So the modal score would have been 9. You get your 1 mark there again. All right. Now let's look at the other questions. The other question says, all right, the median number of correct answers. All right, so the median, that's the middle term. Now normally when I have a table, if I'm going to find the median, then I'm not going to list them out to do it, because in this case we have 60. I don't want to do that. There's a little formula that we could use where it says n plus 1 over 2, and that helps us to find the position of the median, right? Position of the median. But here is the deal, the median, I should say. Here is the deal. This n here refers to the total frequency. So we're looking at 60. All right, so it said 60 students. So 60 plus 1, we divide that by 2, we will get 30.5. So we have 30.5. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a cumulative check, looking for 30.5 going up and down the table. For example, let's say we're going down the table. This is 6. 6 plus 14, that's 20. 20 plus 2, that's 22. 22 plus 6, that's 28. 28 plus 2, that's 30. We still haven't passed 30. We have to pass 30.5 or reach it. But by the time we add 11, we would have passed. So we would have stopped right here and point in the direction. So that means going down the table, doing the cumulative check, going down the table, 13 would have been in that spot, but we have to go up the table as well. All right, so we have to go in 2 directions. So we're going to go up the table to see where this 30.5 we reach that number. So going up the table, we're looking at 10 plus 9, that's 19. 19 plus 11, that's 30. And then by the time we reach here, 32, we would have passed 30.5. So we point in this direction here. So going up the table, it's pointing at number 12. Going down the table, it's pointing at number 30. We all know if when you're doing the mean and you get 2 numbers, you're supposed to add them and divide by 2. So 25 over 2, and we have 12.5 as the mean. So I'm saying that we could find the median, should say, the median is 12.5. Again, when you're finding the median, if two numbers would fall in the middle, then you add them, divide by 2. So the answer for this one would have been 12.5. So there it is. We do 12.5, and that's the median number of correct answers. All right. Thank you for watching, and look out for more comments.